welcome back to my channel. I am back with another earning video. You can earn unlimited money using Termux. So let's go to the website Grand Crypto Auto. You can earn unlimited money from this website. So register here your account, put here your details, email, username, password, confirm password, solve the captcha and register. Here you can see coins details, coins to USDT, how much coins converted to USDT. Here is different payment methods. Here you can earn by achievements, dice, auto facet, manual facet, short links, PTC and much more. We don't need to work on this website. We go to the Termux, go to the file manager and file, extract the zip file, go to the folder and copy location. Now go to the Termux, here type cd and put the link, type ls, type phpboard.php. Here script has been started. It's required password, copy link and go to the website. Go to the link, copy password and put here. It's required user agent. So let's go to the HTTP binary. Put the browser. Start it. Go to the website. Refresh the website. Here HTTP binary getting the data. Go to filter, server host. Here select the Grand Crypto.xyz and media solver. Here copy the user agent, paste it, copy the cookie, it paste. Go to the media solver, copy its link, paste it into the Termux. Here script has been started. Here my data has been feed. Input the number which you want. I want faucet. Here is different three options for auto bypass. Boom, I got 50 tokens. Friends, this is my new channel. I am new on YouTube. Please support me to make new videos for you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.